For the past 2 months, all I've been doing is chilling with my friends, going to house parties, going out for lunches or dinners, or chilling at home, and that is not me. I needed a work life balance. So, in this vlog, we're going to create exactly that by cleaning my room, fixing my life, fixing my sleep schedule, and just doing things that are not just partying or chilling. Hi, guys! I am so gonna be murdered. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gauri Bhasin and I have not shown my face on this channel for almost a month, which is obviously insane. I have literally lost my mind and I have no clue what I'm doing in life. Recently, my life has been very weird, like I have been going through this awkward phase where I don't feel like doing anything. I don't know if this is like a good thing to say online or not because the internet is like literally forever, so I'm a little scared. I really just want to hang out with friends, do house parties, go on lunches, on dinners, and meet people. Like, that is literally it. I don't feel like doing anything. Last night, it was a friend's birthday. I came home at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. I kid you not, I came home at 3 a.m. Literally. Like, they had to drop me. Usse pehle also, I went to some party, something. And usse pehle, I called my friends over here. Like, it has been crazy. Crazy. Today is Mahashivratri. But the sad thing is, I got my periods. Which is very bad because puja thi. जिसके लिए मुझे जाना था and it got cancelled because I couldn't go, obviously. मतलब I'm not going, my parents are still going, like my dadi and my mom dad are still going. I want to use this time, not feel sad about it and actually get some work done because for the past 1 month I haven't touched my camera, and you guys know when I got my camera I was insane about it. Like, I went crazy. It was just like, oh my god, I'm so happy I have a camera, oh my god, I'm so happy I have a camera. And I haven't touched it in over a month and it's just so sad. And I just, like, right now I didn't want to do anything, but I'm pushing myself to get some work done because I need to do something. This is just sad. We have to clean this room because it is a mess, like a bad mess. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is literally so messed up. This is like my jewelry, everything is out. There are 4 water bottles for God knows what reason. Like, I have no clue why there are 4 water bottles here. My makeup is out, my skincare is out, my blow dryer has been plugged in since yesterday and it has never been removed. As you can see, like, the switch is on. And I look like I don't know what I'm wearing, honestly. This is a very bad combination. I think I've almost given up on myself at this point because just look at me. I mean, boxers and a yellow t-shirt which is really bright. I mean, what is wrong with me? Fashion? What? Fashion? Who? I haven't shown you the worst part yet. Please see that. This. And now, let's get to the worst of the worst. There are clothes, literally, like tons and tons of clothes everywhere. My whole room is like a mess. Abhi luckily यहाँ से मैंने अभी कपड़े हटाए हैं. यहाँ पे there were like towels and stuff. But do you see this? Like, I can't live like this anymore. And you know why this is happening? So my helper recently went to her hometown and I'm sort of stranded. Now the thing is, I can do my stuff on my own. It's not like I need कोई आके करे. But the thing with me, I have a very bad, very toxic trait. It's that I will not clean it until it has reached my freaking limit. Like, to the point where I cannot live in this room anymore. तब तक मैं साफ नहीं करूँगी. Very bad, very toxic. I know. It's not gonna work like this anymore because I am 19 almost. I'm turning 19 in April and I cannot live like this, especially if I plan on moving out and having an actual life where I can, like, live alone. This and this is not gonna work. The first thing we're gonna do is fill this. I don't know why there's a plastic water bottle in my room. Please don't question me. This we have to fill, and then my black bottle. I think everyone's seen that. I'm just like confused. Party, 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 hey! Party, 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 hey! All of you are gonna join me for therapy. If you're watching my videos, you're all... if you're watching my... If you're watching my videos, you're as crazy as I am, so both of us are going to... If you're watching my videos, you're as crazy as I am. So both of us are going to therapy. Okay, sorry. So since I've decided to vlog, we are calculating money here, guys. So money discussions. I'm a big girl. I do still cry a lot, but I am a big girl now. I feel so mature now that like I have been earning and I have been doing shoots so often and I have been handling so much together. I feel so mature. Don't you think I'm mature?
How much they've...
Don't you think I'm mature?
Yeah, very mature.
I'm like her. Okay, I'll talk to you after this calculating has been done. Hi guys, so I am done with my basic skincare and I took a shower. So I have gotten into this very bad habit of showering very late. Like I shower शायद शाम में या रात में. पूरा दिन I won't shower and then I'll shower directly रात में. And then again the next day like the same thing. And I don't get why I'm doing that. Like it has been happening for quite some time and I'm not able to quite figure out like हो क्या रहा है मेरे साथ. You know मेरे सारे ईयर के वो जो बैक वाले थिंग होते हैं ना वो लूज हो गए हैं. So now I have to literally use cotton and do it. यार ये बेंड हो रहा है. Anyways, so finally कैसे तैसे मैंने इन्हें डाला अंदर. It was a task because my like the पीछे का rubber thing that is supposed to ideally like hold the earring intact वो fit ही नहीं हो रहा है. मतलब it's falling out. Like I'm literally wearing the earring and out of nowhere I'm walking and it'll just fall out and वो पीछे का घूम जाता है. And this happened quite a few times. So my mom came up with this solution of putting cotton उसके पीछे so that like the cotton fills the space that is left and उससे earring like stays and it's like actually very tight now. I cleaned one section of my cupboard. I cleaned my room. I cleaned my desk and I feel a little better because बहुत दिन से मैं कुछ भी नहीं करी थी. Like the max I did was clean my bed and my desk बस. And my cupboard has been a mess since the past 1.5 to 2 months. It's just there. You know, it's just a mess and it's just there. It is currently 4:04. We need to start figuring out what to do. I need to shoot a reel. I need to edit a reel. I need to edit one more reel. I don't need to actually like shoot a reel. I need to shoot the first part of one of the transition reels that is supposed to go up. It has not gone up and it is just crazy because वो 1 महीने पहले की बात है. Like नहीं, start of Feb की बात है and March start होने वाला है तो 1 महीना हो गया almost. भाई, is it just me या everyone's hair have been getting extremely greasy like very soon. Like I literally washed my hair yesterday and it started getting greasy today. I don't get why and I don't get how, but it's just happening. And usually my hair used to like stay intact for at least 2 to 3 days. So like the day I wash it, the next day and the day after that. ये 3 दिन third day पे greasy होने start होते थे and अभी से ही हो रहे हैं. So it's like very messed up. Anyways, I need to go and start shooting. But I'm really not in the mood to shoot. I'm just so tired. Of what, Gauri? You literally just cleaned your room. That is all you did. What is wrong with me? Why have I become so lazy? What is wrong with me? I need to go meet my friends tomorrow. I think अभी plan बना है. एक तो पता है plan क्या हो रहा है? Just because मेरे पास पैसे हैं. Just because मेरे पास पैसे हैं. मैं ऐसे उड़ा रही हूँ जैसे मैं अंबानी की बेटी हूँ. मेरे खर्चे भाई साहब, मेरे खर्चे, oh my god, it has been insane. Okay, I'm done with my rant. I need to actually start getting work done. I feel like I don't want to shoot, but like I want to edit and I want to post. I फील लाइक सच अ चाइल्ड भाई. एक तो मैं जब से सब बड़े लोगों के साथ घूमने लग गई हूँ ना, मुझे आदत हो गई है ऑफ बीइंग चाइल्डिश. आई एम यूज्ड टू बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ. जब कोई मेरा ध्यान नहीं रखता है तब मुझे अजीब लगता है. देन इट्स लाइक एनीवेज. Hi guys, it is like 9:45. I woke up 15 minutes ago and I don't get why I look so bura. Matlab, what is wrong with me? What is not? Sorry. Yeah, this is just sad. At this point, this is just sad. I'm supposed to go out today and this happened. जिंदगी सैड हो गई है यार. Okay, yesterday I finished editing one reel and I sent it, but उससे feedback आया है brand से, so we need to figure that out. Okay, I look a little alive now. I have to go brush and I have to go take a bath because I feel gross. I don't know why, but I feel very gross. The brand has sent a feedback and we need to make those changes and send it back. I didn't edit the other reel, but I will do it today before leaving. I'm supposed to go to meet a few college friends around, I think, like, I don't know if you guys have seen them in my previous vlogs. Like, हम ये एग्जाम आए हैं फेल होने के लिए. Like really old college vlogs, you guys, if you guys have seen them. But I'm gonna go meet Ridya, Mehak. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. And I realized taking a bath in the morning is a much better idea than taking a bath at night. After 19 years of being alive, I finally realized this. I'm not exactly 19 now. Like, I will be 19 in April. But still, not a bad realization to hit. Hi guys, so I don't know if I'll be able to vlog a lot today. Let's just do my skincare and sort of try and figure out what I have to do. I have to go to Bandra today to meet my college friends, like I mentioned earlier, and I still don't know आज का दिन कैसे जाने वाला है because my outings have increased like a lot यार. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है. And it's like when I can, I hate saying no to plans. Like, I don't like saying no. It's just कि I want to meet people. I like going out because for like almost a year I was very much like a homebody. I wouldn't leave my house. And if you know me, even itna sa, that is not me. I am not a person who likes to stay at home. I am through and through an extrovert. Like, I'm an extrovert through and through. We decided that we are gonna embrace being an extrovert because for like a year I didn't. Little sad, I know. But in that year, last year, 2024 taught me so much. And let me tell you, one of my wishes for the year actually were meeting people. पता नहीं बाहर क्या हो रहा है, मेरे रूम का दरवाज़ा भी खुला है. Anyways, one of my it was sort of like a manifestation that I was trying to do is to meet new people and to socialize more overall, like even with the people I do know, like just to socialize with them a little more. And that's exactly what I'm doing. I have been meeting my content creator group. I have been meeting my old society group. I have been meeting my school friends. I have been meeting, now I'm going to meet my college friends. I have made so many new friends and I am living life. Like, I am loving this life that I'm living. It is just so me. Like, it is so me coded. It is so, you know, gory and gory's vibe, and we are embracing that finally. But yeah, I have definitely not had a work-life balance for quite some time now, but I am desperately trying to be better every day and work more so that I don't have to worry about videos going up or not. Like, you get the whole thing. Also, yeah, right now one of my school friends is coming over. He's like he's basically like a brother to me. Like, I have known that guy for over 10 years. It's like, what I love about my house is that everyone can come here. Like, my house is sort of like an open invitation. Earlier, when I was sharing my room with Dadi, it was not इतना ज़्यादा open invitation sort of. Yeah, मतलब जो शाम को friends आते हैं वो आएंगे बस. उसको छोड़ के I had to plan with दादी कि मैं कब बुला सकती हूँ, कब नहीं, ये वो. Like, literally a lot of my friends love my house because मेरे घर पे सब इतने chill है. मेरे घर पे literally कोई restrictions नहीं है कि कौन आएगा, कौन नहीं आएगा. All that दरवाज़ा बंद नहीं रख सकते, ये वो. Because my parents trust me a lot. I am actually a very sincere kid. Shit. Oh no. Wait, I'm just gonna like wear this. Hi guys, I'm just editing this video and I realized I never actually ended that day. So I went to meet my friends in Bandra, and wahan se by the time I came back it was very hectic. I was super tired, a little too much, so maybe I didn't vlog uske baad. But yeah, and now we're moving on to the next day. Just a little context so you don't get confused कि ये हो क्या रहा है इसके vlog में. Hi guys, I am in a very happy mood today, even though I've gotten basically no work done and I have a pimple on my nose. I don't think I'm helping myself, but ठीक है. I have a pimple on my nose. I have one here. I have one here. And ये वाला side तो मतलब जो हालत इसकी है वो तो है ही. Today is a good day and I have to give an, oh god, why are you doing it? I have to give an audition. And my room is a mess again. Like, at this point, I have forgotten how to speak. No matter how many times I clean it, it just keeps turning into a mess over and over and over again. I cannot deal with it anymore. Like, my patience is actually on the verge of, I'm on the verge of having a mental breakdown. My patience is basically not there. It's non-existent. Okay, now that I'm done with my rant. Yesterday I slept at 3 o'clock. Yeah, I ruined my sleeping schedule again. I'm dumb, I know. You can probably yell at me in the comments, but whatever. Anyways, yes, मैं कल कहीं तो गई थी. मैं बैंड्रा गई थी कल college friends को मिलने, and it was damn fun, and I came back around 6:30ish, and then I went to dinner with my family at 7:30ish, and then I came back, and then I went for a walk with my friend, and then I came back, and then I was talking to a friend till like 3. I was insane. Like, it was an insane day yesterday. It was just crazy. But you know what's even crazier? I have plans for tomorrow to go back to Bandra. Yeah, and I washed my hair today, and obviously they're going to be fluffy, extremely fluffy. Like, oh, this is a new top. Okay, and we got it, and I don't know, it's gap cut off, that's all I know. And guess what? They forgot to remove this. Like, this is still there, and this is, that magnetic thing that you remove, and they didn't remove it. But I have to shoot an audition, and I really like this top, and I'm not planning on changing, so I'm shooting with that thing on. And plus, we even took off the tag. I just realized that this was there. Anyways, I have to shoot an audition, so we have to first do that. Oh my god, I like the lighting here. Why is it so... Okay, I'll see you guys later. Look at yourself, that hair, the way you got it cut, is already a mess. But Shania, guys, people have been requesting me to post you, Avira, and the whole group. Yeah, they're like, the way I got a comment saying, why don't you post with that group like you used to post with earlier in your society, and they miss you. Hello. The rest of them are just... I have a pimple on my nose. I know, right? It's a line. And then it goes down to my cheek. So, cheek? Chin. Chin. Hi guys. So, guess who forgot to continue the video? Thank you. It's fine. I will see you guys later. And it's been very long. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.